Today's the WSDOT Safer Together open house, and it's really an opportunity for WSDOT to show how we prioritize safety for non-drivers and drivers alike.
We want to make it safer by educating people that are biking, and make it safer by educating people that are driving, and by making the road design safer. And that multi-pronged approach involves partnering with all sorts of other organizations, many of whom are here.
It takes everybody, and it's important to tap into the experts.
I like meeting people that I otherwise wouldn't have met, and learning about the niche that they work in, regardless of how distant that is from the work that I do. There's often commonalities, and that's cool to see.
It's a lot of fun for me to get out into the community and talk to people and explain what it is I do. Figuring out why some crashes happen can go a long way towards helping the DOT determine what needs to be changed to make sure that our roadways are as safe as they can be for Wisconsin citizens.
The amount of people who are dying on Wisconsin roads is too high. Anytime we can help people understand their part in how to keep our roads safer, what that really demonstrates is how interconnected we all are to make us all safer together here in Wisconsin.